dealing with the Libjpeg.dll error in your multimedia or imaging software app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. As we look at the manual steps for Libjpeg, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This DLL file is a foundational library for the JPEG image format. It provides the essential routines for decoding and encoding compressed photographic images, utilized by almost all graphics-capable apps on PC. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. The Libjpeg.dll is part of your multimedia or imaging software runtime files. A clean reinstall of the current version of your multimedia or imaging software will repair missing or corrupted components. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the libjpeg file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for the Libjpeg.dll that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for the libjpeg references. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including complex libjpeg dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.